Hey folks, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're stoked to slide into the world of camera sliders and spill the beans on the hottest options of 2023. So grab your popcorn and buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the best camera sliders out there. Let's jump right into it. Neewer VS-CF50. First up on our radar is the Neewer VS-CF50. This bad boy packs a punch with its sturdy build and smooth sliding action. It's got that sweet spot of reliability and affordability, making it an ideal choice for budding filmmakers and content creators on a budget. When it comes to performance, this slider truly shines. The smooth sliding action allows you to capture silky smooth shots, adding a professional touch to your videos. Whether you're shooting cinematic sequences or product demonstrations, the Neewer VS-CF50 delivers the goods. Also, setting up this bad boy is a breeze. With its quick-release plate and adjustable legs, you can get it up and running in no time. Plus, it comes with a handy carrying bag, making it easy to transport and store. Next up on our radar is the Smartta SliderMini 2. This little powerhouse is making big waves in the world of camera sliders, and we can't wait to share all the deets with you. This Smartta SliderMini 2 is all about compactness and versatility. Don't be fooled by its small size. This slider packs a punch. It's perfect for those on-the-go shooters who need a reliable slider that won't weigh them down. With the Smartta app, you can control this bad boy wirelessly using your smartphone. How cool is that? No more struggling with manual adjustments or carrying around bulky controllers. Just whip out your phone, connect to the app, and you're ready to rock and roll. The Motorized feature opens up a world of creative possibilities. You can achieve smooth and precise tracking shots effortlessly. Whether you're shooting a cinematic masterpiece or a time-lapse sequence, the Smartta SliderMini 2 has got your back. And another standout features of this slider is its programmable modes. JOBY Swing Complete Kit. Up next is the JOBY Swing Complete Kit, a slider that's ready to swing into action and add some flair to your shots. This JOBY Swing Complete Kit caught our attention with its unique design and portability factor. If you're a vlogger or an adventure enthusiast, this might just be the slider you've been dreaming of. This slider brings a whole new dynamic to your footage with its innovative pendulum design. It allows you to capture swinging shots that add a touch of excitement and creativity to your videos. What's impressive about the JOBY Swing Complete Kit is its versatility. You can use it not only as a slider but also as a handheld stabilizer, and even attach it to a tripod for added stability. It's like having multiple tools in one, giving you the freedom to explore various shooting styles. One of the standout features of this slider is its lightweight and compact build. It's designed to be portable, making it the perfect companion for your on-the-go adventures. And when it comes to its compatibility, Rhino ROV Pro Everyday. Our next contender is the Rhino ROV Pro Everyday. This beast of a slider is here to take your shots to the next level with its smart features and precision engineering. The first thing that grabs your attention is its sleek and modern design. This slider screams pro gear and is sure to turn heads on any set. But what really sets it apart is its intelligent motorized capabilities. With the Rhino Motion app, you have complete control over this slider right at your fingertips. The app allows you to program precise movements, adjust speed, and even create complex multi-axis shots. It's like having a professional cinematographer right by your side. Its high-torque motor ensures smooth and accurate movements, giving you that cinematic quality footage every time. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or intricate product shots, this slider delivers the goods. Versatility is another strong suit of the Rhino ROV Pro Everyday. It features a modular design that allows you to configure it to your specific shooting needs. GVM Motorized Camera Slider. Our next contender is the GVM Motorized Camera Slider. This bad boy is here to take your video productions to new heights with its motorized capabilities and smooth sliding action. This is a game changer for videographers who crave precise and dynamic camera movements. With its motorized functionality, this slider brings a whole new level of versatility to your shooting arsenal. One of the standout features of this slider is its remote control system. The included remote allows you to wirelessly control the sliding motion, speed, and even set up customizable motion time-lapse sequences. It puts the power of precise camera movements right in the palm of your hand. What sets this slider apart is its versatility. You can mount it on tripods, light stands, or use it directly on the ground for low-angle shots. The GVM Motorized Camera Slider adapts to your shooting needs, providing you with endless creative possibilities. MOZA Slypod. Pro. Lastly, we have the MOZA Slypod Pro, a slider that takes versatility to a whole new level. This is not your ordinary camera slider. It's a motorized monopod that combines the functions of a slider and a jib arm, giving you the ultimate flexibility in your shots. This slider is a true game changer. It features a unique telescopic design that allows you to extend it from 55 centimeters to a whopping 110 centimeters. This means you can capture both wide-angle shots and impressive overhead movements with ease. What's even more impressive is the motorized functionality of the MOZA Slypod Pro. With the MOZA Master app, you have full control over the slider's movements. You can adjust the speed, create precise time-lapse sequences, and even program complex camera motions. It's like having a professional camera operator at your command. It isn't just about movement, it's also built for stability. It features a high-precision bearing system that ensures smooth and consistent sliding, even with heavy camera setups. And that wraps up our review of the MOZA Slypod Pro. This slider monopod hybrid is a true marvel of engineering, offering versatility, motorized functionality, and exceptional build quality. Stay tuned as we uncover more camera sliders on our exciting journey to find the ultimate gear.